Uh, Good morning, students. Let us discuss the next part of Model 3 is the solution of non-homogeneous partial differential equations by direct integrations. So what exactly you are going to do is that if you take such a examples that if you take an ordinary differential equation, you'll get like this. This is non-homogeneous ordinary differential equation that dy by dx is equal to x square is there. Okay, so you are finding the solution for this ordinary differential equation that transfer this d by dx to LHS to RHS side. It will become integration of x square with respect to x dx. So therefore you will get like this is equal to k. Then integration of x square is given as x cube by 3 plus adding the integral constant. The solution of this ordinary differential is given as like this. If the example, if it is given in a partial differential equation like this, dou u upon dou x is equal to x square. Again that dou by dou x, if you transfer this to LHS to RHS, it becomes again integration that can be written as like this, that integration, the integration of x square is x cube by 3 plus there is no y term here. Is here there is no y terms, there is no y terms here, so therefore the constant will be y. You can take, you are integrating with respect to x means the function will be x, and there is a no if it is y, if it is y is there, that becomes a constant for this particularly example. So therefore we are adding a particularly the arbitrary constant as the other which is not given, that is other variable as a constant, that is where f of y is an arbitrary function of y, right? This type of examples you may get in the examination. The example will be like this. The first example is like this, that solve the partial differential equation by find the solution of partial differential equation by using or direct integration. The example will be like this, that is dou square u upon dou x square is equal to x plus y. You take this equation like this, and you can write this dou square u upon dou x square like this, dou by dou x of dou u upon dou x is equal to x plus y. Then if you transfer this dou by dou x to LHS to RHS, it becomes integration of x plus y. You have to integrate with respect to x. What is there? X is there, so therefore you have to integrate this whole term with respect to x, keeping dou u upon dou x as it is, like this. So integrating with respect to x, treating y as constant. Okay, then let us go for next one, that is dou u upon dou x is equal to integration of x plus 5 with respect to dx plus you are adding y, you are treating as y as a constant, so therefore you have to use as a integral constant as f of y. Then if you integrate this term with respect to x separately, y with respect to dx separately, so therefore y with respect to dx means y is a constant, let us take outside 1 with respect to dx plus integral constant, right? Then dou u upon dou x is equal to integration of x is x square by 2 plus y as it is, integration of 1 with respect to dx is x plus integral constant as it is, that is dou u upon dou x. Now you have to find the solution, means you have to find the value of u, not dou u upon dou x. So therefore again you have to transfer this dou u upon dou by dou x to LHS to RHS, again integrating with respect to x, because here x is there, so here with respect to x again we have u is equal to integration of x square by 2 plus y as it is, integration this plus f of y is constant, here it becomes 1 with respect to dx, and plus adding again a constant, because you are doing with respect to x means again g of y is a constant, integral constant, so therefore you add integral constant. So therefore u is equal to x square by 2 integration is x cube divided by 6. Why? Because x cube divided by 3 into 2 is 6 plus y as it is, integration of x is x square by 2 plus f of y is constant, integration of 1 with respect to x plus g of y. This is the solution for this partial differential equation. The solution for this equation is this one. Okay, in this particularly this type of examples, you may get the examples of these solving the partial differential equation, but they will use to give the initial conditions also. Let us discuss one examples on initial condition. The very important example is that the example is like this for initial condition. This is an example from the question paper, that solve dou squared z upon dou x into dou y is equal to sin x into sin y, for which dou z upon dou y is given as minus 2 times sin y when x is equal to 0. This is one condition. Then similarly z is equal to 0 if y is a multiples, y is an odd multiple of pi by 2. That is, odd multiple of pi by 2 is nothing but y is equal to, that is z is equal to 0, y is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. 2n plus 1 is becomes an odd multiples of pi by 2. Okay, so you can use this condition, okay, for the solving for the second initial condition. So let us go for the first. Dou square z upon dou x into dou y is equal to sin y into sin x into sin y. Now you can write this expression as dou by dou x and dou z upon dou y separately is equal to sin x into sin y. Then transfer this to this side. You have to integrate with respect to x, integrate this term, this is keeping as it is constant, integration sin x into dx, plus you are integrating with respect to x means f of y is constant. Okay, now let us integrate. The integration will become like this. So dou z upon dou y is equal to minus sin y, as it is integration of sin x is minus cos x plus f of y is equal, called as equation number 1. Now use the condition. The first condition I have given in this particular example is that dou z upon dou x, dou z upon dou y is equal to minus sin 2y, sorry, minus 2 sin y when x is equal to 0. Use this condition in equation number 1. So equation 1 becomes like this. Okay, minus 2 sin y dou z upon dou x is the value is when x is equal to 0. Substitute x is equal to 0. Cos 0 is 1. Minus sin y remains plus f of y is equal to. So therefore f of y is equal to, if you transfer this minus sin y, it becomes plus sin y, minus 2 sin y plus sin y becomes minus sin y. So that is f of y. Keep it as it is. Now let us go for the finding the solution z. You have to find here z here. So z can be written as, if you transfer this dou by dou y to that side, it become integration. Again z is equal to minus cos y. I have taken minus cos y is constant because you are doing with respect to y. So integration of only sin y becomes into dy plus integration of this term, because you are doing with respect to y means this also y is there. So therefore you have to keep in a function under the integral sign f of y into dy plus here there is a you are doing with respect to y means the constant will be g of x. X should be there. Okay, then z is equal to, then sin y integration is minus cos y, minus into minus plus cos y, the sin cos x as it is, plus if you take this integral, the value of this integral in general form is given as f of y plus g of x as it is, called as equation 2. Now your aim is to find this f of y. How to calculate f of y? Let us go like this. Integration f of y, already you got here minus sin y, so minus sin y with respect to dy plus g of x, minus sin as it is, sin y is cos y, cos minus into minus plus cos y plus g of x, called as equation number 3. Okay, after getting this one, let us use the condition. Using the condition, z is equal to 0 if y is equal to multiples of pi by 2. So the multiples of pi by 2. Use these two conditions in above equation number 3. So z is equal to 0, cos x as it is, cos y. Replace y as 2n pi plus pi by 2 plus same again pi by 2 plus g of x as it is. Then when you are going to substitute, the when value is from 0, 1, 2, 3, the value becomes 0. The value of this term becomes 0. Substitute here. If you just see a 0, 2 into 0, 0. Okay, what is remaining? 1. 1 into pi by 2. So pi by 2 remains. So cos pi by 2 is 0. If you change the value of n as 1, 2 into 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 pi by 2. Cos 3 pi by 2 is 0. You go on solving this. Substituting the value of n is equal to again 2, 3, 4. Your value becomes 0. This becomes 0. This becomes 0. When you substitute, n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. So therefore this value becomes 0. So this all value become means 0 means, or g of x is becomes as 0. G of x is 0. Substitute this g of x value as 0 in equation number 3. So equation number 3 become like this. Z is equal to cos x into cos y plus cos y plus 0 plus 0. Okay, plus 0. So therefore you can take a common here, cos y. So therefore cos x plus 1. Z is equal to cos x plus cos y into cos x plus 1. This is the solution for the given differential equation. If you go through all the examples, you get to know. Okay, this is the way you can solve the examples of the solution of the partial differential equations by direct integrations. Thank you.